Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for the 16th of February, Thursday, and today we opened up basically right in line with where we closed at yesterday. The market chopped around a little bit, found a bottom and took off. We grabbed a long down here. We took some profit on the way up, and the market never really looked back. It did bounce up a little and come back. We had our entry down here, which the market stayed above and took off, leaving us out of the trade, and then the market just ran up from there. It's a little disappointing when that happens, but you lock in your profit when you have it, and whatever happens happens. But anyway, we had one trade today. Maximum profit potential was 12 points or 48 ticks. Market ran up hugely. It's still running up. Actual trades, entry and exit on our one trade, we made 3 points or 12 ticks. Still not bad. If you're looking at $50 a point, you're looking at 150 for 2.5 hours. I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out our website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we focus on the S&P 500 futures market. It's my favorite market to trade, so I think it's pretty cool. Some days like this, you'll get a nice entry, you'll run it up, you'll take some points, and the market just doesn't really pull back, and then it just takes off. Sometimes that happens. I didn't want to chase things up here, because when it did break out, it came right back down, and it just seemed choppy, and then it just took off. So sometimes it does that. So we were looking for a big run up, and we were playing it with option trades, and it's going to work out very well for us. Even though we missed an ES trade, we caught it with options. So it is what it is, and that's what I'm trying to do, is just have a great trading environment, where we can learn from each other and learn from our mistakes. And I guess a good lesson for today would be, even if you've been trading for a while, you can still miss trades. Just if you're a new trader, you can miss trades. If you're been trading for many years, you can miss trades. So it doesn't matter how long you've been trading, you can still miss trades, you can still miss entries. Just because you've been trading for a while, it doesn't mean that you're gonna make every trade in the world. So it's a good lesson for that. I try to look at the maximum profit potential, because it gives me an area to judge myself. How good did I do today? Today was dismal. Ending positively is what you want to do every day. So I did meet that. But not maximizing my profit potential is a little disappointing, and but it's not too disappointing. We still made $150. So it is what it is. But it's not too disappointing, because I spent 2.5 hours watching my screen and made $150. I could have been working 9 hours and made $100, and then a lot of that would go to taxes, or whatever. Working 9 hours, you can make $500, and then a lot goes to taxes. It just depends on what kind of job you have, I guess. But 2.5 hours, $150. I don't think that's too bad of a deal there. But anyway, check out the website. I encourage you to do so. I know that trading is definitely not for everyone, and my style of trading is not for every trader. But check it out. You may or may not like it. I'm definitely passionate about trading. I don't take a lot of trades during the day, and like today I took one. It's usually 1 to 5 trades, and for the most part it's on the bottom of that, 1, 2, 3 trades, something like that. But trading is a lot of fun, and you can definitely get a lot of potential out of it. It's like anything. The more you put in, the more you're going to get out. And I know I'm starting to go on a little rant here, but it's the more you put in, the more you're going to get out. And trading it's hard at first. It is very, very hard. It's like I like to use the analogy. It's like becoming a brain surgeon. If you're a brain surgeon, you have to be focused. For one, you have to be able to be precise. You're focused. You have to know, be able to handle yourself in pressure situations. It's all of that, and it's very difficult. And that's why I have my coaching program, and that's why I have it set up like I do. I teach one lesson a week, and then the rest of that week we meet one-on-one and we talk about the lesson. Because it's a lot of information. It's very difficult. So I hit you with that information over and over again. And some of my clients, instead of one lesson a week, it's one every other week. So that way, we hit that information, and it really depends on how much experience you have in the markets. How new is this information that I'm giving you? If you have a little experience in the markets already, you might catch on faster just because you know the lingo, you know a little bit about how the markets move, and a little bit of knowledge, and so it really depends upon that. But it's so much information, and that's one of the reasons I don't do like a 8-day course, 8 days, and then you go fend off the wolves or something like that. I like to take my time and teach, and that way you get something, the client gets something out of it. I have fun because I feel like I actually did something worthwhile. If you do something, if a lot of people I've seen out there do like 5-day courses, 5 days, and then you go fend for the wolves. My training takes a couple months because I think trading is very important, but I know there's a lot of information to learn. And I remember when I was a new trader and how long it took me to become a good trader. I was a very bad trader when I started, and I say that because it's true, and also I took responsibility. I know I was a bad trader. Back then I didn't actually know until I learned a few things and that, but it's definitely an interesting process. I wanted to talk about that a little bit. I get some questions about that, so I wanted to talk about it a little bit and do that. So but anyway, if you do enjoy the videos, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Tell a friend. Definitely appreciate that, everyone. And with that, I'm going to go into the news for tomorrow. We have a little bit of news before the market. At 8:30 in the morning, we have core CPI month over month looking for 0.3%. Prior reading was 0.1%. Also at 8:30 we have CPI month over month looking for 0.3% as well, and the prior reading was flat. So that's what we're looking for tomorrow before the markets. Should be an interesting day tomorrow, I think so. And it's also options expiration, so that should make it even more interesting. So we'll go from there and see what does transpire, and we'll try to catch more of the profits rather than taking them too quickly. No, it happens. But it's a good lesson, and that's why I wanted to make today's video a little bit longer than say yesterday's video. Because I wanted to talk a little bit about that and go over that a little bit. So hope you guys got something out of it. You can put comments under the video. You can email me if you want. The upper right hand side of the website has a contact form. I've been getting a lot of emails, and it's been very awesome because it means there's people out there that they enjoy watching my videos, listening to me talk, and maybe not listening to me talk, but they enjoy the video at least. So it's definitely been pretty cool, and being able to respond to the emails, and makes me feel appreciated. I'm doing something that helps people, so it's pretty cool. But anyway, if you like the videos, please click the like button. Appreciate that in a big way. Have an awesome day, and I'll see everyone tomorrow morning. Thanks.